Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 5th August 2020. Sweet children, this most elevated confluence age is the age of benevolence. It is in this age that you have to become the masters of the land of Sri Krishna by studying. Question: why does the father place the urn of knowledge on the mothers? What is the one system that only continues in Bharat? Answer: the father places the urn of knowledge on the mothers so that they can make everyone become pure from impure by tie a rakhi of purity on them. Only in Bharat does the system of Raksha Bandhan exist. A sister ties a rakhi on her brother. This symbol is purity. The father says, children, remember me alone and you will become pure. You will become the master of the pure world. Song: no one is as unique as the innocent Lord. Essence for Dharana. First point: while living in this old world, become the non-violent and establish your new world with the power of yoga. Make your life as valuable as a diamond. Second point: churn the things that the Father tells you and then relate them to others. Constantly maintain the intoxication of knowing that when the study comes to an end, you will go to the land of Krishna. Blessing: may you truly die alive and transform always fullness with pure intentions. Bap Dada's Srimat is: children, do not listen to anything wasteful, nor speak anything wasteful, or think anything wasteful. Always think with pure feelings and speak auspicious word. Listen to anything wasteful with pure intentions. Be one who has pure and positive thoughts for others, and they will transform the intentions behind the words. Always let your intentions and feelings be elevated. Transform yourself and do not think about transforming others. Transformation of the self becomes transformation of others. In this, let me be first. Only in this life of dying, alive is their pleasure. This is known as the great sacrifice. In this, die happily. This dying is living. This is the true donation of life. Slogan: with concentration of thoughts, elevated transformation takes place at a fast speed. Om Shanti.